I'm Carly Davies and today we have a new 2-bedroom apartment called Sorrento. Let's go and take a look. As we come into the property, you can see that there's an open plan living area. Everything is modern, light and bright. We also have the kitchen area that is well equipped and table and chairs for 6. Following on from the kitchen and living area, we have the half bathroom, very modern with storage in the back. Over to the left of the half bath, you have the laundry area, equipped with both a dryer and a washing machine. Here we have the fold and sliding doors that adds to the contemporary feel of the property. Following on, we have the master bedroom. In here we have air conditioning, or if you wanted to go with the Caribbean breeze, you can open up the louvers and feel the breeze going through the property. And then going over to the wardrobe, we have lots of storage where you can keep your items and tucked away. Heading over to the ensuite now. In here you have again the modern feel that you're looking for in this property that's more contemporary. You have a massive shower on to your left, and over to the right is the toilet, any storage that you want and modern drawers. Now we're going to head on back through to the main living area and I'll show you upstairs for the 2nd bedroom. So we are now in the 2nd bedroom and this has 2 double beds and the view is incredible. Heading out onto the balcony, this is a great part of the 2nd bedroom. Take a look at that view. We are now back in the bedroom and I want to go through and show you to the ensuite. There's a luxurious feel in here with the rain head shower, the same contemporary theme, and it's really spacious. So I've just come down from the 2nd bedroom and I want to show you outside for the alfresco dining and the beautiful view. One of the best things I love about this property is the view. As you can see, you get the view of the boats, the water and a beautiful sunset out here. So in summary, Villa Sorrento is a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment with ensuite in both bedrooms and a half bath downstairs. The open plan living gives a great feel to add to the contemporary style of the property, and the views in here are incredible. From here you have both North Beach and South Beach, which you can either walk to or drive. You have the commercial centre with all the shops, including the Epicurean supermarket, which is in walking distance, and you also have nearby a lot of restaurants and bars if you wanted to eat, drink, head on out. If you want to learn more about this property or make a booking, head on over to our website to learn more. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to look at this property or any other of our properties, please subscribe below.